Join me today as I take you on a full tour of the Celebrity Beyond Casino. I'll show you all the slot machines and table games that they have there, as well as a few tips and tricks. Maybe you'll see your favorite slot machine there. Let's go. Hi, I'm Tracy, and I cruise pretty much 50% of the time. Today I'm on the beautiful Celebrity Beyond, which was launched in 2022 as part of the Edge class and holds 3,260 passengers. We're going to do a walking tour of the Celebrity Beyond Casino. There are 4 entrances into the casino. We're coming in next to the only bank of video poker. Now, these machines were very busy each night, but I did see multiple hand pays there. You'll see that this casino has a nice mixture of the newer games. There are very few old-style games here. They're almost all newer machines. I do believe in the last 6 months they have swapped out machines quite a bit. So the blank of machines right there, those are rake and bacon games. So the cashier's cage will be on one end next to the host desk. You do notice that they have 1 pinball and 1 top dollar machines. Those are very popular. They have their blue chip rewards posters there, as well as the reminder to take advantage of the bonus runs. The 3 quarter machines on the left were by far the best machines for me. I was able to build a lot of points on those. As you go down on the one side, you'll see quite a few of the newer machines. I really did enjoy that part. Didn't always have very good luck here, I'm not going to lie. I did find the machines to be a little bit on the tighter end. But I did like the variety of machines that they had to pick from. There's approximately 11 table games here. You'll have craps tables, roulette. You'll have ultimate Texas Hold'em as well as traditional Texas Hold'em. 3-card poker, the blackjack. I did find that the table games were mainly like $10 blackjack, $15 poker. They have much higher denominations, and they will also do some special request games, like if you want a table for baccarat, they'll do that. So again, kind of going through the machines. It is a decent size casino. There's 276 machines in here. A lot of the Huff and Puff, those machines right there that are kind of blacked out, those are the Dragon and Leprechaun 3-pot games. So the Dragon Link, I did see a lot of people playing those, and I did have luck on that, especially playing the 5-cent denomination. So didn't really play some of these other ones. I did play a little bit of Firelink. That is one I do enjoy playing. The Golden Blessings I did not play, and honestly, I didn't see a whole lot of people winning on these. So it's probably why I didn't play them. So going on this side, another entrance coming off of the elevators. There is some of the tower power. I did really like these 3 pot games, but I'm not even sure what they're called. The Huff and Puff, the one on the very end, hit for $21,000, and I did see it hit multiple times. Around this corner here, there's the 4 coin trio games. Those hit a lot. I did see multiple majors won on that, including myself. I won a major. My one and only big win was on that coin trio. So again, going back to the host desk, I do like how transparent Celebrity is with their casino program. You know exactly how many points you need for a free cabin, and they will have a QR code that will show you exactly what sellings apply for what points. So I truly wish every cruise line did that. And then a special shout out to Celebrity in that they are non-smoking casinos, and it's free drinks for everybody. So as long as you're actively playing, you can get free drinks. I think it's up to a $10 maximum per drink. That is by far the most generous of anybody at sea. The point system on Celebrity Beyond is $5 in for every 1 point on slots, $10 in for every 1 point on video poker. So here are a few of my winnings from my cruise. Again, not many, but there were a couple. Thanks for watching, and like and subscribe to my new channel.